Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the names of few important birds. The first one being a male chicken called a cock or a rooster. In Hindi it's called a murga. The second one is a parrot and in Hindi it's called tota. The male parrot has a black ring on the neck. The third being peacock. In Hindi it's called more. Peacock is the national bird of India. The next bird is an owl. In Hindi, it's called ullu. Owls are active at night, and a group of owls is called a parliament. The next one is a pigeon. In Hindi, it's called a kabutar. Pigeons eat seeds, fruits, and plants as their food.